Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about set. Set is a crucial topic in JE and very important. Every teachers teach this topic in class 11th grade. So let's start it up. So what is the meaning of set? Set is a collection of well-defined object. It means that you know the every information about it and everyone's opinion are same about it. So I'll give you an example about it. So list all the boys which are who are above 150 centimeters in height in your class. So everyone's opinion will be same. So it is a set. So I'll give you another example which is not a set. List all the boys in your class who are tall. So no one's opinion will be the same because they list different persons because we didn't give a particular height. So it is not a set. Set. So representation of set. To represent a set, we use capital letters like A, comma B, comma C, and only capital letters and etc. So in A set, there will be elements which are like A, comma B, comma C, and there will also be numbers. But when there are letters, they should be in lowercase, like A is equal to A, comma B, comma C, and these are the brackets used to represent set. So A, comma B, comma C, these are known as elements. These should be represented in lowercase letters. Don't make mistakes in it and you will lose marks if you do this. So next one is that, before that I'll show you a quick thing. A set, and these are elements. I'll give a quick test in it after I complete the topic. So next one. So let's keep that A is equal to A, comma B, comma C. So I am asking you, does A belong to A? So this symbol is used to represent in set. The meaning of it is that belong. So A, does lowercase a belong to uppercase a? Yeah. If you told this, you are correct. Does D belong to A? Hell nah, right? It does not. It does not. This is right and this is wrong. So let's see about the representation of set. There are two types of representation in set, like roster form, not that roster. This is another roster at mathematics, and the set builder form. So I'll just scroll down a little bit. Now I'll teach you about this. Let's keep that A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. So in this we list all elements. When we list all elements, it is roster form. So when we list, in this we list all the elements, but in set builder form we write like A is equal to X is to X is the elements from 1 to 3. I have bad handwriting, don't listen to it. Okay, so this is set builder form. Okay, this is set builder form. So these are the two forms we express a set. So let's go to the next point. So okay, next point is that empty set or null set. Before that, I'll give you some examples and questions in it. Questions in set builder form. Let's and I'll tell you the meaning of x is to x. So in this, x is the element, this x is the element, the first x, and the second x is the property, which I'll soon give you an example on. Okay, so I'm giving you a question that tell me all the prime numbers less than 10. So list in the both form. List in the both form. So first we'll represent in a roster form. It will be 2, 3, 5, 7. That's all. So this is the roster form, and set builder form is x is to x is the prime number, is the prime numbers till 10. So when we express like this, it is wrong. We have to represent like this. A is equal to x is prime, is a prime number less than 10. So we should represent like this, not like that. So another question is that I'll give you like find x. X is to x square plus 4 is equal to 0. The answer will be x is equal to 4, which is equal to x is to x equal to root 4, which is equal to x is equal to root 2, which is equal to 2. Okay, let's go to the next one. So next one is null set or an empty set or void set. So null set, first I'll write the definition. Null set, it means null set means there are no elements present in A, like A is equal to nothing. The symbol used to represent a null set is this one or this one. Both are same. And null set has two other names like void set. Void is just like nothing. And another name is empty set. So I'll give you a question which is a null set. So, and another thing information is that this is not the symbol, it would be wrong. So question, tell me a number which is greater than 100 110. So absolutely nothing would be there. So A is equal to or A is equal to and A is equal to, this is wrong, this is correct, and this is correct. So just quickly let me go to the next one. So these are all about the empty set, null set, and void set. So next point is number of elements. Next point, number of elements. To find the number of elements, there is a trick. Let me tell you after the definition. Number of elements, a number of elements is equal to n a, which is the same but a simpler form. So next one, and I'll give you a question. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Tell me the number of elements in A. It is equal to 3. It is 3. Okay, next one, and an important point, number of elements in a void set is nothing. So next one is that B is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 7 comma 8. This is a question, noted down. The NB is what? Number of elements in B is what? I'll give you some time. I think so you completed it. The number of element is 4. So let me quickly go down. Okay, next point is equal sets. So the meaning, there are two types of there are equal sets and equivalent sets. Don't get confused with it. Let me give you a quick example in equal sets. It is like, let's keep that A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 8. So is this an equal set or not? Equal set is decided by the number of elements in it. So n is equal to 3 and nb is equal to 3. So both are equal set. A comma B are equal set. So both are equal set. So this is equal set. Next point is finite set. Finite sets. For finite sets. So finite sets, this is a very important thing. Finite sets. The meaning of it is that in an A set, the number of elements should be finite. So I'll give you an example in it really quickly. So let's keep that A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is a finite set. So let's keep that number of elements in A is equal to 3. So B is equal to integers. X is set of all integers. So it will be like B is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 and we'll go down and comma minus 1 dot dot dot. So is B finite or infinite? B is infinite set because it will go infinitely on the both sides. If it even goes infinitely in both one side, it is an infinite set. And A is a finite set. So these are the difference between the finite and infinite set. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.